Got the epitome of summer, June, early July, and outside, more or less wherever you are, it's warm sunshine with only a slow change. Often this ends in thunder. Will it this time? No, probably not, actually. There's been some interference from this Atlantic spinner, which is just north of the gyre, actually. It's throwing cloud our way and some rain. But you can see the source is a long way out. So this is rather the weak eastern cousin, if you like. The rain's just getting into Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. Ahead of it, the sun is out. It's warming up. Actually, the highest temperature now is in 21. So you might get to 24 before dusk. Lovely evening. And overnight, the rain doesn't make much progress. In fact, it stays where it is and sometimes gets heavy for Northern Ireland and for Scotland, but for England and Wales it's a dry and pretty warm night, I have to say. As yet, not too uncomfortable. 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, probably you'll wake up to the dew having evaporated. It's quite a heavy one this morning, probably will be tomorrow morning. Nice bit of sunshine right up to the borders of Scotland. Bit more of a breeze than today, and it's a southerly, take note. The rain may well have got into Glasgow by this stage tomorrow morning, so possible wet morning here. And also Belfast. Well, of course, it's been wet all night, hasn't it? And quite windy, hardly summery. But where will that rain go to? Clearly at 8 o'clock in the morning, not very far. Hasn't even reached the Gower. Hasn't really reached the Isles of Scilly or Cornwall, though that is its next stop. So you have a warm, sunny start with an increasing southerly breeze tomorrow morning. Now, the rain's forecast is to not move very far, to be honest. It may be in Northern Ireland all day, which means we're drawing southerly winds across England and Wales and Scotland, and the orange blooms as the heat rises. Tomorrow will be described as a hot day for central and eastern England, with temperatures into the low, even the high 20s, with rising humidity. And what happens quite often when we get that sort of weather? It turns into thunderstorms in the evening. But will it this time? Well, it might, just on the eastern side of England. More likely, the rain will just give up the ghost and disappear through Scotland overnight, Tuesday night. Disappointing as far as I'm concerned. But for the rest of the week, warm sunshine and a few showers seems the return picture. Well, we can tell that story in many ways. But first of all, that is the remaining plume of warmth and rain going out of the way on Wednesday. It might linger in Wimbledon for Wednesday morning. Might be a late start. But Wimbledon does tell the story, if you like. Warm to hot tomorrow, I should say, and humid. Showery on Wednesday, probably, and then fine again for Thursday. There you go, Kate.